From New York Times, this is Rachel Thompson reporting on The Rain Room. What if you could harness the rain in all of its majesty? What if each drop would still at the flick of your hand? Could time stand still for just a moment? At the Museum of Modern Art in New York, these questions have been fulfilled. Come, get swept off your feet into this reality. The artists at Random International are the magicians behind this feat. They have constructed a rain room where water falls from the ceiling, all except for where the viewer is standing. When human body movement is detected in the 3D motion sensors, the rain stops. The effect is that one can move through the downpour without ever getting wet. It's like the storms of life falling around you. But you can stand in their midst and never feel a drop. Find tranquility. Discover. Dance in the rain. Come to the MoMA to experience the supernatural power. The magic is present from May 12th until July 28th, 2013. We'll see you there.